sorry ass DJ.
Hello guys, this is outside of my house here in Brunei. That's it. This is my room. This is my car. It's very quiet in here. You can just hear the chirp of those birds. Wow, there's an airplane in there. Right. Yung tanim namin tanglad. Puro nga lang tanglad. Mangga. Yan, may bunga pa po yan. So, okay, sumit. See that? Alright. Tanglad din po yan sa likod. Yung satellite parabola ni Samay, our friend from Thailand. And that's it. Alright. Just the views of one of my colleagues here. Suppose supervisor. This is my car. My ugly car. Alright, this is just a testing of my new mobile phone, which is the Xiaomi Mi9T. Mi9T. This is K20. It's not a Pro, just 6 gig and 128 ROM. Alright, that's all mga friends. Bye-bye. Hello guys, nga po pala, pasensya na po at hindi po ako nakapag-upload ng maraming video again. Almost 1.5 month na hindi na po ako nakapag-upload sa kadahilan ng napaka-busy po sa trabaho. So, minsan napapadaan lang ako ito, ganitong pagkakataon nakakapag-video. So, useful video naman kahit paano. So, isa ito sa review for my new phone, which is the Mi9T. Ayan po. So, thanks guys. The next thing is binabati ko po ang ating mahal na Sultan Bolkiah, which is ang king po ng Brunei dito sa Brunei. Siya po yung longest reign king dito sa Brunei, which is napakaganda po na kanyang pamamahala at botong-boto sa kanyang mga tao, kaya naman wala pong masyadong gulo dito. Napakaganda po ng peace and order dito. Talagang napakalinis ng lugar nito, tahimik, walang nangyayaring krimen. Napakaganda po mga kaibigan. So again, binabati ko po siya ng happy 73rd birthday. At yun lang po mga kaibigan. Yan po yung naganap kaninang parada sa Bandar Seri Begawan sa capital ng Brunei. Every birthday po meron silang ganyan nangyayari, military parade. Hindi ko alam kung tawag dyan, military parade ba yan o yung pagbati nila kay Sultan. Ayan po. Maraming salamat and God bless you all. See you in the next video.